Whodunit murder mysteries are always a delight to watch. And when the murder mystery goes on and make you addictive, it means the maker have hit the jackpot. And with Who Killed Sarah, the makers have indeed hit the jackpot. My name is Ankush and today on my channel Bolly Friday, I am reviewing the season 2 of Netflix's much acclaimed series Who Killed Sarah. This web series is quite addictive and you would not want to get up till it gets completed. And it ensures the audience has a binge watch. This time in season 2, it has 8 episodes of an average of 40 minutes, so get ready for an 5.5 hour roller coaster journey of twists and turns. But at last you reach to your destination. But also, as I said earlier, unpredictability is the key essence, so makers has also hinted for the season 3 at the end. As we saw in season 1, Alex was all up against the Lezcanos family as he believed that those are the people behind the death of her sister and his 18-year imprisonment. The Mexican crime drama introduced us to a lot of characters of Lezcanos family, Alex's family, and some supporting characters like Diana the Hunter, Malifer, Clara, Lorenzo, Elroy, etc. And if in that season you have seen the one side of the coin, this season introduced you to the other face, where you are going to see so many layers of the characters, but the focus goes on Sarah, and Reason gives a detailed backstory of her being a psychopath and a character who can go to any extent to make her ends meet. And you will be surprised and shocked again seeing her unpredictable behavior. The story also unfolds her relation with Malifer in the past. The best or worst part about the series is that it does not let you groove in one plot. The makers have intentionally put so many subplots in plots and which keep you boomeranging from one to another. Sometimes it gives your head a spin, as one plot talking about present, another talking about sub-present, and third talking about from the past. And the fast-paced editing shifts the scene speedily. So I think to balance out the little bit of faulty writing, the makers have used some secret ingredient which kept the audience hooked. The season does not emphasize a lot on Rodolfo or Caesar, but let them play a major role at the end. Sergio also as an antagonist showcased the depth of devil he belongs to, and it's phenomenal. But I can't deny the fact season 2 is well worth a watch, and we are lucky enough to get the season 2 within 2 months of season 1 release. Also, I would like to appreciate something which is so unique about the series is that while watching the series sometimes you get so much engrossed in the subplot that you forget the main objective of the series, that who cut the rope. And this is what this series has an edge over the other series and makes it unique. The characters are more flawed than ever, and the lines of morality are dampened with unscoped personality traits. Also like to mention a thumbs up for the cast, as season 2 puts the audience through the hell of a ride. Who Killed Sarah sees the actors honoring to the grind, providing emotions to an exhausting life triggered by Alex. So if you think that you can get a straight answer to the question Who Killed Sarah, then you are absolutely wrong. The series takes its own sweet time to unfold and unwrap the situations that might or might not have anything to do with the asked question. The situations are interconnecting and establish the various characters involved. But trust me, wait is worthwhile as you will have fun while having this roller coaster ride. So overall, Who Killed Sarah 2 lived up to the expectations and delivered again a series which we can boast of entertainment, thrill and mystery. Though it has a lot of faults in writing, but who cares when you have a good end result. I will give this series 8 out of 10 stars for all the twists, turns, headspins and shocks which it gives to the audience, and to create such devil characters, all of whom has a grey shades except Elisa, whom I think was only one odd out. So have an enjoyable binge watch. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and also click the like button and share if you have really liked. Do mention your comments in the comment section about the series. I'll catch you later in the next video. Till then, bye bye.